Media library and header options. So here we are at the dashboard, and we're going to check out the media library. So media library, and this is basically where all your media files, whether it be pictures, audio, or video, will live. So anything that you use for your website that is media related, you have to upload it to this environment first. So we're going to go ahead and upload an image, and this is a JPEG. Image types that are acceptable will be JPEG, GIF, and PNG. So we've uploaded there. You can see the dimensions here. And then we're going to add or edit this section right here. And all these fields can be searchable. That's why it's important to add this information. So we'll add a title to Laboratory Podcast logo. Caption again would be text that accompanies an image. We don't want a caption here. Alt text would be text that appears if the image fails to download. And the description can be just about anything. If we close it right here, the information we just added will be saved automatically. So if we go back in, you'll see all that that information there. In the spirit of free stuff, I just wanted to briefly mention a program called GIMP, absolutely free to use, and it has a lot of the same functionality as Adobe Photoshop. You can create a transparent background here. It's the checkered background, and this is ideal if you want to put this on any different colored background. If you have a transparent background, you want to save it as a GIF. I recommend this highly, and there's different ways of creating a transparent background. These are just some of the tools that are used. So the select tool here can be used to select chunks of the background that can be deleted if you're creating a transparent background. This is the eraser tool. Here's a paintbrush. All these tools are available in Photoshop. This is a smudge tool to smoothen out edges. So just a quick mention of GIMP. So we're going to go to the header and explore the header. So this entire area here is the header. And just to give you an idea of the different styles of headers, here are some websites. You can see that some headers are more visually oriented, others are less visually oriented. If you wanted to add an image that would basically cover the entire header, it will be 1400 by 400. We won't do that here. So header options, we're going to add a header logo. So click header logo, select image, and we will be going back to the media library here. We'll select this, choose image. And it doesn't automatically appear because we have to adjust the options in this section right here. So we can have just a header logo, no text. We could disable the text and the logo so there's nothing in the header. We'll do, this is both, so that's what we're going to end up doing. And we'll go ahead and save and publish. Even though the logo appears on the top of the text, when it's all done, the logo will actually appear to the left of the text. That's what we want. We're going to change the text here. This is the default text, another WordPress site. So we'll go to site identity and then tagline, and we'll go ahead and edit this. And there we go. Save and publish. You can go to settings, general, and you could actually edit that text here as well. So go back to header and header options. There's a lot of, or there's a few built-in tools that you can that allows you to adjust the header and the navigation menu. So you can add a home icon to the primary navigation menu, so it appears to the left of home on the menu. You can choose to show the current date, so the date will appear at the top. We will deselect that. We can add a search icon or search field to the menu. We'll uncheck that for now. We'll go back to that later on. So under site identity, we're going to go ahead and add a site icon. So that's the little icon that appears in the browser right there. It's a little bit hard to see, but it appears to the left of the URL address. So go ahead and select an image that we're going to upload to the media library. So the recommended size is 512 by 512. So we're going to select the file. Go ahead and select this one. As I mentioned, they recommend that the original file be 512 by 512. You can see it's not here. I probably should take a look at that later on. I had changed the dimensions on my computer. So we're going to add the image information here. I'm not really sure how important this image information is for a site icon, but we'll go ahead and add it just because this is standard procedure for all images. Go ahead and hit select. Now if our image was 512 by 512, you can see the preview right here. If the image was 512 by 512, we probably would want to crop it. We're going to skip cropping for now. And then we'll go ahead and save and publish. And there you can see, it's a little bit hard to see, but at the very top, you can see that the site icon appears.